This week's top stories. Nine in 10 health leaders think ageing NHS building stock is a health risk. A significant number of health leaders polled by the NHS Confederation feel that patient safety is at risk from old and sometimes extremely dilapidated buildings and estates. Although the NHS received increases in capital funding last year in the government's autumn spending review, many feel this falls short of what is required. 10 construction firms involved in contract bid rigging. The Competition and Markets Authority has provisionally found that 10 construction companies have been involved in illegal cartel agreements when submitting bids. The discovery relates to 19 contracts worth over £150 million, involving demolition work at the Met Police Training College, Selfridges and Oxford University, amongst others. The largest offshore turbine-based factory in the world receives go-ahead. A £300 million, 40-metre tall offshore turbine-based factory at Teesside's Freeport has received planning approval. The factory is the largest of its kind in the world, at over 800 metres in length.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.